In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash in GCash Palawan Pawnshop. If you like topping up your GCash wallet with physical cash, using Palawan Pawnshop is quick, reliable, and easy to follow right from the GCash app. Start by opening the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed in. If the app asks for an update, go ahead and install it so everything you see matches the latest on-screen options. This helps avoid errors and keeps your account secure. From the GCash home screen, tap Cash In. Depending on your app layout, this might appear right on the dashboard or under a menu tab. The Cash In page shows different ways to add money to your wallet. Look for the partner options and select Palawan. Sometimes it's listed under over-the-counter partners or featured outlets. If you see multiple partner choices, choose the one labeled Palawan Pawnshop. Once you've selected Palawan, simply follow the steps provided on your screen. The app will guide you through what you need to do next. Read each prompt carefully and double-check any details you enter, especially the amount you want to add. If the app displays a fee or limit, review it before confirming so there are no surprises. In many cases, the app will generate instructions you'll need to complete the transaction at a Palawan branch, so be sure to save or screenshot anything the app provides. Keep any codes or references private and only share them with the authorized staff when you're ready to pay. As you follow the on-screen steps, the app may remind you about time windows, validity, or specific reminders for the partner outlet. Take note of these to make your visit smoother. It's also a good idea to check the business hours of your chosen branch and prepare the exact amount you plan to cash in, plus any applicable fees shown in the app. After you've completed what the app asks, return to your GCash app to confirm that the amount reflects correctly in your balance. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a short moment, then refresh the app. Keep any receipts provided and refer to the help or support section in GCash if you need assistance using the transaction details you saved. That's the whole process. Open GCash, tap Cash In, select Palawan, and follow the steps provided on screen. Take your time with each prompt, and you'll be done in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and happy cashing in.